Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna replace the ignition cables and the spark plugs, and to do that the first thing you have to do is to remove the air box, which I already removed because I'm replacing the air filters, but I'm gonna show you right now how to remove the air box. And let's replace the cable kits and the spark plugs. Let's go. After we remove the airbox, you cannot mess up with the order of the cables. If you're gonna replace and you have any doubts, you can do it one by one, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm replace one spark plug and one cable, so this way I don't mess up. If you mess up, your car will not work, okay? So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video can help you. Don't forget to thumbs up, watch my other videos. We are restoring this Volkswagen Polo 6 and 2. So if it helped you, if you enjoyed, click the thumbs up and see you soon. Stay tuned.